Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see a review of Hero 377 fountain pen, and this pen is coming with a nice carton box. This is very similar to Hero 77. You can see the review, earlier review. It is having a silver top trim sets. This is the look of the pen. It is having a metal body. The coating is very good, and the nib is number 51. It is having a piston type converter. This is a brass tube. It is painted with it is enamel painted. It is having a good grip. For school children, this pen will be really useful, and they will have a good grip on this pen, and is having good weight also. Let us see the weight of this pen. It is around 26 grams, and total length of the pen is, with cap, it is 136.3 mm. Without cap it is 115 mm. Diameter of this grip area, the average diameter I am measuring, it is 8.9 mm. It is only 9 mm. The diameter of the cap is 10.8 mm. I am measuring only the average diameter in the middle. In the clip we can see the Hero symbol. The pen looks very nice, and let us write and see how this pen performs. I am using Brill Blue, Royal Blue. It is one of my favorite ink. Again, I would like to tell my customers, just by dipping and writing you cannot get the exact flow of the pen, because more ink might have held while dipping, so you may be getting a smoother flow. You will get a good flow whenever you fill the ink in the reservoir, and uniform flow should happen. Then only you can feel the exact flow. For this particular pen you can use Brill or Parker. If you use Parker it will be good, or you may use Schiefer ink or Waterman ink. So the viscosity of the ink should be very less, so that you will get a good flow. This is a very fine nib. In this type of heaters, whenever I dip the ink, and it will go up to this level. This is written with the Brill ink and with .377 model fine tip fountain pen. I suggest to use Parker or Sailor, Pilot, such type of less viscous ink, so that you will get a very smoother flow. And whenever, if you are not using your pen for a long time, please clean the pen and keep it safe. the ink will spoil your feeder area and you will not get a smoother flow. If you want to have smooth flow, and definitely you should be cleaning your pen frequently. In all the ink bottles it will be written like you need to clean your pen regularly. I will show you in the ink bottle what is written. Probably you can see with this camera. Clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. Its unique formulation prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. So all the dye-based ink is having a tendency to precipitate. If it dries, if the water content dries, the dye will precipitate. So the flow passage will be blocked. You need to properly clean frequently. You can just remove this portion and soak it in the soap water or something. And if you are soaking in the soap water, don't allow more than an hour, or else again the alkali deposits will form. For 1 hour, just you soak it and then flush this with the tap water, and more pressure will be there, should be there, so that the all the dust and scales will come out. So this is the method of cleaning, and you have all the pen spares with us. You can buy from us. It is number 51 nib. In Hero and as well as in Genoa, both the brands will perfectly fit to this nib. Even we have in Oliver we have gold nib, and in Candide we have silver nib. So the whatever you choose, it is available with us. If you have any queries on this particular type of pen, you can ask your queries in the comment section, and we will try to answer as possible. Thanks for watching this video, friends.